Of course, I'm outside. A little late night one. I wouldn't say late. It's not even late. It feels late as heck outside, though. I know that. Very late. Daylight saving times for you. Let's see. It's a little bunch of cute little gift sets inside of Marshall's, a 3-piece. It's $39.99. The little Mickey Mouse. Same price? Yep, no, that one's 34. Let's see if the other ones that they got. This one is 39, 34. What is this? That's the tour. Same. 34. Yeah. It's cute though. Stocking stuffers. I like this color. It's cute. Ooh, they got black too. Oh, same thing. Yeah. Couture Marshalls. All this is underwears. Much of these underwears. $5.99. Look at this. Waffle underwears for real, y'all. And Cause Buddy. Cheez-Its. They all the same price here. That's crazy. Underwears. Macaroni and cheese underwear. Rice Krispie. Frosted Flakes. This is too funny. They even got the cookies and cream Pop-Tarts. Child. Okay. Whatever floats your boat, I guess, right? Found some more little sets. Little gift sets. Little socks. They have for kids too. That's cute. Oh, look, the lights on it. They have pink. I can't get around it because there's a box in front of me. But they're cute. Like the Grinch that stole Christmas again. Like it's a eye mask. Yeah, a bunch of little gift sets. Can't reach up there to get the price, to see the price because stuff is in front of me. I don't want to knock anything down. Every time I touch something, it gets knocked down. So it's that light up there that's like glittering off. Oh, there you go. It's a whole bunch of. That's just a bunch of hair stuff. Is this an old Snuggie? That's $19.99. There's aromatherapy. How much is it? Yep. Gonna knock it down. I'm gonna keep going. Hot and water bottle. It's a water bottle. $7.99. They're cute. Hot and cold pack. Is that one? It's another water bottle. These like the bigger ones. I don't know how much are the bigger ones. Let's check. 7. Yep, 7. They all 7. Come and get them gifts. Pure Stream portable fabric steamer. It's $14.99. What do they do? Steam your clothes. It's a small one though. I gotta do like a little clothes or something like that. What is this? Projector light. Another steamer, the bigger one. Holiday time. Look at these here. Glasses. I'm scared to touch it because I don't want to drop it. $9.99. This one, $5.99. Put it back quietly. You gotta put it back like very, very quiet. Cause then I broke it. Hold on. $5.99. They all $5.99. So nice. Check out $19.99 a UGG bean bag. Like it's so small. Nice and fluffy though. Nice, cool, small. Nice and small. But let's see. How much is this? No price on it? Oh, $7.99. They all S? No. Got J. Why they never got Z for Zori? Ever. Oh well. Next time. Yeah, just a bunch of gift sets here. Makeup. These are so pretty. $14.99. Bunch of brushes. $14.99, $5.99. This one's pretty. These are $6.99. Just cute. 14. Okay, I don't think that belonged there, but I didn't do it, so yeah. They're cute. Oh, these are on sale for $6. That's your brushes, and here's this thing here. That's cute. How much is this? Oh, I ain't touching it. I don't know. It's like it's broke. I didn't do it, so. For the blenders, sponges, blend away. I got mushrooms. It's a small one. It's $39.99. I don't think we seen this one. It comes with the hat. Some perfume in here. They don't have. What is this one? I don't even know. Oh, this one got a hat too. 34. I think we seen this one up front. Yeah. Did I show these? I don't remember if I did or not. Well, not Mickey Mouse, but I think I did. Not sure. 29. It's cute. This is like a green, it looks like. That's Steve Madden. Another green one. I don't know. We didn't. Did we see this one? I don't know if we did or not. It's cute though. Like the big straps. They're nice. Yeah, I don't remember showing it. We've probably seen those ones though. But oh, I want to show this hat. Look at that hat. It's not even. Let me see that. Found another one. One's 24. Same one's the blue one I just showed though. This is a table full of everything. Warm slipper boots. This is heavy too. How much is this? $14.99. Oh. There's a spot. It smells like lavender. You can smell it. $7.99. And what is this? Infused with rose? Can you smell it? I meant, can I smell it? Not y'all. Dude. For your neck. Therapy. What is this? Oh. Mr. Owl, the Tootsie Roll dude. Who remembers that? 16. How many licks does it take to get the Tootsie Roll pop? That's that thing. And what is this? Another heating pad? And then $29.99. And there's that. And here's the red one. I probably sold that already. Probably. There's more. It's 24. I've seen those. Oh no, not that one. They all stuck together, it looks like. Yeah, got no price on it. Why is no price on it? Oh, okay. Price is here. 24. It's a pink one. 19. It's a hat in there? Yeah, it's a hat. This one's a white one. Gold. For 19. This one is the peppermint and pine. It's come with a price. No price. Might be on the inside. I don't know. There's that one. And then this one. Oh, that's a cute one. I like that one. And you saw that one. And this green one back here. That's green, not black. It looks black from there. Or where I'm at. Yeah, that's, I think all of them, right? Yeah. This one here. How much is this one? 19 too. Just not in the box. So, 16. This one's 16. Oh, it feels soft too. You have a white one. Oh, I need the black one. That's what I need. Put that up there. I need this black one. Oh, might be getting it. That's the one we said. Yeah, they not just not in the inside of the box. That's all. Calvin Klein hat. 14. Okay, y'all. I'm leaving. I'm in the parking lot over here. Different stores. They probably look crazy, but I'm walking to my car. I got on slippers this time. These are my old slippers that I've been wearing. And yeah, I'm outside with them now. So, talk to y'all when I get to another store, maybe. Maybe not. Peace.